Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Andy in case you're new here, and today I got you this very gorgeous crochet earrings tutorial. It's actually very easy to be made, very beginner friendly, has little tiny pearl beads in the middle. I actually uploaded a very similar tutorial previously. This is the simplest version, so this is actually also suitable for beginners. And of course, don't forget to like this video, hype it, and subscribe to my channel. And if you would like to support me with the yarn, you can do it in a Buy Me a Coffee webpage, which I placed the link below this video. So if you're ready, let's get started. We will need to have the following materials for these earrings. We're going to use a cotton yarn, and this one is the same that you would use for amigurumi projects. I just put it on the screen, which type is it exactly. We will be using a 1.50 millimeter crochet hook. Then we will need to have some pearl beads. These are 5 millimeters each one of them. Earring hangers, a needle, and a scissor. We are going to start by making a slip knot. So insert two of your fingers, rotate it, grab the longer yarn and pull it out. Grab the crochet hook, tighten it up, and chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we are going to insert the crochet hook into the first chain that we created and going to make a slip stitch. Now we are going to chain 2, 1 and 2, and we will need to make another 15 times double crochets into this ring that we created. So yarn over, insert it in the center, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in the other 2. So this is 1 double crochet, yarn over again, this is the second one, yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in the other 2. So 2. Now yarn over, this is the third, yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in 2, 3, yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in 2. This is 4, and we need to have altogether 15 from this. So this is 5, 6, and now we're going to complete our 15th. And then have a look. We had this chain 2 space in between, so this is where we chain 2, and between the first double crochet we insert the crochet hook and make a slip stitch. Now have a look, go to the first chain, which is here, just next to it, here, insert, pull it over, make a slip stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And in the same exact chain where we were now, make 5 times double crochet. So yarn over and 5 times double crochet into the same exact chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we had 5 double crochets plus a chain 3. The chain 3 here serves as a first double crochet, so as if we had 6 double crochets into this first chain. So now yarn over, we're going to the next chain, we're going to make 6 times double crochet into the same stitch. So insert 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Again, next chain, 6 times double crochet, so yarn over, next chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we have to continue like this until we finished and arrive to the end of the round. So now that we just finished with the round, have a look. We're going to insert in the first double crochet stop chain our crochet hook, pull it over and make a slip stitch. Then we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. And then in the same chain, we are going to make 2 times double crochet. So yarn over, 1, and 2. And then, so in here, the first chain 3 serves for our first double crochet. So as if we had 3 double crochets into the same stitch. So for the rest of the chains, we are all making 3 times double crochet. So yarn over, next chain, 3 times double crochets into the same stitch, 1, 2, 3, next chain, 1, 2, 3, next one 3 times, yarn over, 1, 2, and 3. And we have to continue like this until we finish with the whole round. So we have just arrived to the last chain and we are going to make the 3 times double crochet. So 1, 2, and 3. And then we are going to join to the first chain here. Grab the yarn, pull it over, chain 1, leave some tail, and cut the yarn. You can pull it out. Now we need to add the needle to one of these yarn. I'm going to add to the one that is closer to the center. Obviously, if it's not long enough, you can add it to the other one as well, or add an additional yarn as well. So now going to get to the center of this earring, pull it out just like this, going to add the bead, and exactly on the other side, so the opposite side, going to insert the needle in the center, pull it out. Now the only thing we have to hide this yarn, so we're going to make some little stitches between and kind of also secure with this one the yarn. Try to make sure that it's between the stitches. The yarn is not really long, so I have to kind of Be careful not to slip out from the needle. Perfect. And then afterwards, we can just cut the yarn here. Now we're gonna add the needle to this other one as well. And then we are going to get rid of this excess yarn too. So just going to insert it back. I'm gonna make a couple of stitches here between the stitches, so not to be visible from either side. So just keep control of that one, and then a couple of stitches to hide. After we can cut the yarn. And finally we are just going to add the earring hangers. Going to look for one of these top part here, going to close it. And one of the earring is ready. Of course, don't forget you have to make another one from this one. So gorgeous earrings just got ready, and I think they turned out extremely pretty. I love the way how it's following the shape, how it wants to turn, and let me know how yours turned out, please, and don't forget to share it with me. I would love to see how yours turned out. So don't forget to tag me on my other social media platforms as well, such as Instagram or TikTok. Of course, you can also share it now here on YouTube, on the YouTube community section. You can upload your pictures there and I can actually see it, so it's really, really great. Don't forget to like this video and hype it, and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials as well. And I'll see you very soon.